What's up, guys? Today we're back with another fever video. Today we're gonna go to the Vilnius manor. Last time around we checked out the interior upgrade, which was a tablecloth that gave us extra clients, so that's good. This time around we're not gonna be trying to pass level 19. We're gonna try to 3-star some levels. Today we have level 4 and 5. Let's go. Okay, here's the 3 stars, an improvement. I will be right back after this.
I want to show.
I'm back after this stupid ad. So we're gonna be going level 5. Let's go. Today was an overall success. yeah, we improved on level 4 and 5, which are now 3-star now. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. I will be back another time tomorrow, hopefully with another video. We're gonna be returning to an old restaurant that doesn't need any upgrade. Because again, I'm trying to save diamonds because I maybe wanna open the pizzeria in the future. So I know its upgrades are expensive, that's why I'm saving a bit of gems. But yeah, that's it for today. Bye and have a good one.